ये है मनी भाई शाह. He provides gifting solutions to various clients. His Mondays are usually packed with client meetings. His clients look forward for his gifting ideas, but often they want something different from the normal stuff that he brings. Not only something different and interesting, but something that is cost effective too. When products are novel and economical, they are not durable. The next day, Money Bhai starts calling different vendors and manufacturers. But somehow, he could not find products that can fit into his clients' requirements. And that night, luck shined upon Money Bhai. He is Victorinox Baba. He has got all the solutions for Money Bhai's problems. Yes, Victorinox Baba from Victorinox, the 131-year-old company known for manufacturing 120,000 Swiss knives per day that come with a lifetime warranty. Money Bhai calls Victorinox and asks for a meeting with its sales representative. With Victorinox range of gift options, Money Bhai got a lot of gifting ideas that would impress his clients. Money Bhai couldn't control his excitement to show the products to his clients. And they loved it, praised it, and approved it. Money Bhai finally got what he deserved. A lot of appreciation and of course a lot of business and checks thanks to Victorinox.